Hi guys, if you want to change Microsoft Outlook from dark mode to light mode on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, go to the Outlook settings, and to open the Outlook settings, either click on this settings icon or simply go to the view section here and then click on view settings. Now here, go to general section and then click on appearance. Now under the appearance settings, you will see the dark mode is selected. To change your Microsoft Outlook from dark mode to light mode, simply select the light mode and then click on save. Now simply close the settings window, and now you can see your Outlook is in the light mode now. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off dark mode in Outlook on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.